But yeah, basically, I don't think you could hear me at that moment. But anyway, I plan to get Nvidia Audio2Face working, and hopefully this Omniverse working. I hate when things don't work. See if I can close out some of this stuff. I'm trying to make some mesh. Come on. I think I just... messed it up. Okay. Come on already. Yay. So I needed to get into the Omniverse here so I can launch Blender. And from Blender, I can launch, attempt to launch Audio2Face and all of that. I might have to download Audio2Face, just realized. Nope, I got it. Try to get the song I want. Okay. That. Okay. So anything here? What's going on? There we go. Okay. 3D Blender.
Hey everybody, Blendmaster here with another tutorial, and today I want to be showing you guys how to take any 2D image that you have, such as this one here, and convert it in Blender to create a 3D object like this. So let's jump into Blender and get started. So the first thing we want to do is delete both the cube and the lamp by pressing X to delete, and we're going to select our camera here and press Alt-G and Alt-R to clear its location and rotation. Then we can press G to move it, and Z to restrict it to only the Z axis. We'll press 10 and Enter so that we move it exactly 10 units up. Now we can press 0 on the numpad to go to our camera view, and if we press N it'll bring up this Properties tab here. And we want to scroll down to where it says Background Images, and we'll check that and then click Add Image, and we'll click this button here, and we're going to find our 2D image which we want to convert into a 3D object. So I've just added in my logo here, and as you can see it's stretched and distorted, and that's because the resolution of our camera does not match the actual resolution of our image. So I know that my image is 1920 by 1920, so the only thing we need to do to fix this is come over to our render settings here and change our resolution. So currently it's at 1920 by 1080, and I'm just going to switch it to 1920 by 1920, and that should fix everything. So that's looking good. Now to actually convert this into a 3D object, we're going to add in a Bezier curve, just like that by pressing Shift A, and then we'll tab into Edit mode, and with everything selected, we'll press V and click Vector. So essentially what that did is it got rid of the curviness of this curve object.
So I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. I know that there was an easier way. Turn 2D image into 3D Blender. No. Sad thing is I was able to do this to a character just the other day, and I forget exactly where I did it, but I did it for free and it worked fine. Now I gotta do all this stuff to try to make a, maybe I can download it. I think I have it actually. I think it might actually be in that. Yeah, all right, here we go. Show folder. Oh wait, did I get it on the wrong thing? I think I need to go over here. Oops. Okay. Alrighty. So basically, I am going to try to create a video of the Donnie Darko rabbit talking. There's a reason behind that. I would like to make, there's a music video thing I would like to make, but I don't know, challenging. It's why I'm doing it. So I want to go to you. I want to. Come on. Okay. Gets all the way down at the bottom. Hopefully these ones will load into my Blender. And let me start a new one because this is all funked up already. Hoping that this is going to get me where I need to be. That's the head. It's like a part of his bone. Interesting. All right. Well, let's see if I can get this to talk. We are going to go into edit mode. Okay. Okay. Scope. Okay. Hopefully it's going to grab something here. Here. Probably needs some sort of opening for the mouth. Yeah, we'll see how far this one goes. Because it's something I've wanted to do ever since I saw the Audio2Face go. So let's see, where did it break out? So this is the Audio2Face, right? But there's really no moving kind of parts. Yeah, we'll see. Frank. Okay. Hopefully I can import the face, I can map it, and I can have it repeat the audio. I don't think, I've tried this a few times. I've gotten one time to repeat the audio, but it doesn't match up good. So I gotta invest time into, I think, mapping the the like different lips and whatnot. Why is this not working? Oh gosh, it's super low. Hello. Let's see, why is it back to this one? Hello. Hello. All right, this one should be fine. Come on. Might have broke it. See, probably what I need to do is break this part right here and then start moving it, but it's a whole lot of work. I'm glad somebody did this for me. I'll end up, if I get this working, contribute to the artist that did that. Why is this acting up? Oh, I think oh, yeah, I accidentally posted something else before about the Pinocchio browser. Yeah, that could be brought up too if I end up did this. I should probably get back into the Comfy UI because I want to learn that more, and I want to, yeah, basically help out with that. Why can't anything load quickly? So interestingly, the computer that we're looking at is a Shadow PC, which is currently freaking maxing out a CPU, which is it's causing all our problems. Gosh, why can't things just load? This like works so flawlessly sometimes, and then now it's gonna cause me issues. and that crap. Technically don't need Blender. I'm going to do this. Omniverse is awesome. Anyway. Like to uninstall and reinstall. Come on. Something with the Audio2Face. This should be reinstalled. Or it's this. So basically Audio2Face, if anyone's interested, just you can create a pipeline to a like 3D model that would be mapped to its I think they make like little keyframes or not keyframes, but like links to the different jaw structures, and then it mimics the voice flow. So I might have to do some updates and whatnot. What not? Come on. Great. And I know there's other applications I could probably use, but I've been wanting to get Audio2Face working for quite a while. Yay. watch it load up. Okay, go back here. Thanks for joining me here on this epic journey through the Omniverse, where I'm trying to get the Audio2Face working. It is a application within the Nvidia Omniverse that you can use to create 3D voice over so that the voice is moving along with the lips of avatars. It's more work than it is to just kind of pay for that service, but it's the way to do it if you want to do it for free and if you want to learn. And sorry, I'm a bit sluggish. It's cold here. Really cold. Probably not the coldest that I've heard people complain about on here, though. If this doesn't work, I'm going to probably call it quits for right now and maybe do something else in a little bit. But it's almost been an hour. But I can at least show what's going on. I'm going to let this cook for a minute. Be right back. Well, it's doing stuff. All right, I'm back. I know. Let's see. What can I do while we wait here? Probably not the best thing to open, but it's the funnest thing to open. Man, it is crawling. Pay for speed and you get, it's usually quick. I'm not going to complain, but it is maxing out right now. Omniverse should be using the GPU more. So anyone that's not familiar, Pinocchio is a browser that you can download many different things. One of the nice ones is creating audio for videos. That's a new one that's been implemented using Audio. There's some good ones like Comfy UI. This one I'd like to try to get to. Well, I guess I could use this. Let's see. Let's spin this bad boy up, see what this does. Probably do it to a 2D image is what I'm thinking, which is fine. I have 2D images. I want to try to get a 3D model going. Here we go. What? All right, it's definitely installed. Right? No? Why is it locked? Damn it. It's because I opened something? How stupid would that be? Taking up resources is my attention span is just trying to get stuff done. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay. See if this works. That would be cool if it did. I think it's too long of audio. I believe I tried this and it didn't work. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry, it's like watching water boil. Just trying to get Audio2Face installed. I have another Pinocchio thing running. I'm trying to get just the Donnie Darko Frank to. I wanted to sing this one song that it has some lyrics that refer to it. So I want to see how it comes out. And yeah. Um, Audio2Face was giving me trouble, so I had to reinstall. But thanks for coming in and checking it out. And I hopefully, if Pinocchio's still going, this could be a good sign for getting at least the image to talk. But I don't know what it could get from this image. Hopefully, it could recognize the mouth, then it will have that moving. But we'll see. Shoot. Omniverse is where you can explore many different things from OpenAI, Nvidia. Come on, just install. I'm not going to mess with this because I was going to show something else, but we're going to explore. This is probably something that will maybe come in useful for AI cities. It's one thing to keep an eye out for is that with all the AI integration, I was reading into things, and it's like eventually it's inevitably it's going to get to integrate within cell phone towers, within the infrastructure, and AI is going to play roles within that. And if you think about it, I mean, with the automation of all the cars and the smart city, I don't know that much about what that was about, but basically, I think these cities are going to start to have automation that is going to protect, driving vehicles from crashing into each other and all sorts of the stuff like that. So, um, keeping in mind that could be beneficial for future jobs, I would think, because it's if you study more AI, you could be one implementing, the infrastructure part of it, because that's got to be where it goes from here is building up infrastructure. Um, I see it even in my daily life is that it's not being used even close to the amount for regular people. But with the automation of all these cars and stuff, hopefully they can implement more bigger, wider things and not just cars, just in general. Anyway, that's rant. I don't know if this is going to pass again or fail. So I would assume it did. And then I don't know if we could just continue to wait for this. Yeah. Styling stuff. What? Oh, get out of here. So that's not going anywhere. Why would it do this? Okay. Darn. Just out of reach. Man, these are pricey. No. Yeah. I don't know where we're going to be going with this, but we might be just waiting. I'm gonna have to close it. I think we might be on a bust here. Audio2Face is the cooler of the two because you get to map the different movements to the different parts of the face, and it does it pretty seamlessly. But I guess that's not going to work for me tonight. So I'm not sure how long this part's going to be. I don't want to have to just let everybody just sit there. I don't know what else, but it's been about an hour, so I'm going to call it here. I'm going to post it if it does come out good. So you just look out for that. And other than that, I'll get the Audio2Face working, and then what I'll do is I'll pre-do everything so that it could be a tutorial on like how to get it done rather than fumbling around. I thought it was going to be a good kind of teachable thing because it's worked faster before, but right now I'm gonna wait on Echo Mimic 2 from Pinocchio browser on Pinocchio browser, um, and see if that gives me a little bit of a Audio2Face type of thing, and then I can look up some other things. So thanks for joining, and appreciate you. Have a Merry Christmas. I'm going to be on probably a bit in a little bit, playing video games or something. So feel free to jump back on and shoot me a chat or anything, or not. Either way. But I appreciate you, and have a good rest of your night.